Hello YouTube family, we are in the rainforest of the Victoria Falls here, walking through here. It's called the rainforest because of the waters that come from the falls. It's actually like rain. So I'm going to take you to the other section of the falls. As you can see, people wearing raincoats. Can you see the water rising over there? That causes like a rain. So you have to put on raincoats here. We've just taken a risk coming here without any raincoats. Wow, look at that. Oh God, the last time we never came up to here because of that bridge. It was very scary.
We did.
No, we never came up to here. Oh, sorry. Carry on.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And there's no bar. There's a bar. Oh, they're standing by the barrier over there. That's the Zimbabwean side. That's the Zimbabwean section on the other side. And then on this section here, you have the railway line. That's the border between Zambia and Zimbabwe. The trains cross over there, and also there's bungee jumping going on there. Trucks and cars pass through there. Oh, this is an amazing spot. Look at this. And the rain is coming down. You can see the rainbow if you can ever see it. I can see it from here. I don't know in the video. So like I said in my other video, the Victoria Falls is actually shared between Zimbabwe and Zambia. So the section I'm showing you right now, that's on the Zimbabwean side. Do you guys want us to cross over? You can actually cross over to Zimbabwe if you like. So I'm reporting live here from the tourist capital of Zambia, the mosi O Tunya, and in English it's called the Victoria Falls. If you can hear the helicopters, those are rides. You pay something like $300 and you go on a ride. Darlene, guys, can we go this way, please? We haven't seen this section yet. So we're taking another path here in the rainforest. We want to explore this other area here. What's on this side? I think there's a boiling pot this side. You remember? What is known as the boiling pot? Oh, this section is quite humid. You have ups and downs, but the good thing is they have paths. They've created paths in here. And the forest is actually very thick. Actually, the last time we came here, there were snakes, so you have to be on the lookout for snakes. What's on here? Let's have a look. Ah, it's a clear view of the bridge. The historic Victoria Falls Bridge. There we go. Do you know that they're doing bungee jumping over there? Wow. This is the thicket of the forest, and there's all sorts of plants here. Some of them could be medicinal ones. And I believe down here, that's where the boiling point is. A place they call the boiling point. Oh, this one's about to break. Just be careful.
Yeah.
I won't be able to rescue you.
Don't worry, I wouldn't expect it.
Yeah. Yeah, you see? Very dangerous.
Not this white ones on the other side.
Yeah,
Yeah,
the other
yeah.
side we saw also one that was really
Shaking.
moving. No?
Oh, it's very dangerous. They should sort it out for safety. All the best. Yeah. Ah, yeah. Oh, we're going back to the rain. It's coming through the forest. Let's go. What are you scared of? Just come, let's go. What? Look at that. That's the knife bridge. Huh? Okay, let's go back. We're going to cross the knife bridge. We might have to switch off these phones because the rain is just overwhelming. There's loads of tourists here. So I'm just going through the knife bridge now. Going back to the other section. I mean, look at that. There's some amazing force of power there. That downpour of water from the mighty Zambezi River. Crossing over the knife bridge now. I might have to switch off here because I don't have an umbrella, so I took a chance just to come here without an umbrella. Oh my God, it's pouring down. See you in a bit. Adios, amigos. That will be shadows. You won't see our faces clearly. Oh my God, we're getting soaked here.
Put the camera down.
No, just take one.
Oh my God, we've just been drenched by the rain from the falls, from the waterfalls, the Victoria Falls. So we're just walking in the forest here now, the rainforest. We've come away from the edge, from the cliff of the Victoria Falls. So we're walking in the midst of the forest here. And there are quite some big baboons in here and a couple of snakes as well. So one has to be extremely careful. Oh my God, look at this. This is the other section of the falls. The Mosi O Tunya Falls, the Victoria Falls. Look at that. Awesome power behind me there. That's the powerhouse of Victoria Falls, the Zambezi River. If you haven't visited Zambia, please consider this place here. It's just an amazing place, an astonishing place, and you will enjoy it, believe me. You can come and stay here. Accommodation is available, reasonable prices as well, loads of good food to eat as well. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, and if you like this video, give it a like. Please share the video and also leave a comment to encourage me, and also press the bell icon for more notifications. I'm reporting live from the capital city, the tourist capital of Zambia, the Mosi O Tunya, the Victoria Falls. Loads of people come here to visit this place. From all nations. Okay, it's now I'm going up now. away from the falls. Maybe I'll take you to the section where they sell crafts and all sorts. Hello, brother. Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, and how are you?
I believe you're taking very good pictures. You've just taken us some very nice pictures,
Yes,
which I appreciate. So what can you say to the visitors who are thinking of coming to Victoria Falls?
They are most welcome to the mighty Victoria Falls.
Yeah?
Once they are here,
Yeah.
we are here to serve them better,
Uh-huh.
take them nice photos.
Yes.
We can either give them soft copies
Okay.
or hard copies.
So you take very nice pictures. And how much do you charge the public?
In Zambia kwacha, we say 40 kwacha.
40 kwacha.
Yeah,
And foreigners?
$5.
Mwaniluma. Yeah, Mwaniluma mdala. Yeah, no, but that's good.
Yeah.
So what's your message to the people out there about this place, Victoria Falls?
They must come and see it.
Yes?
Once in a lifetime.
Once in a lifetime,
They
yes.
must travel.
Because this is one of the 7 wonders of the world,
Exactly.
the Victoria Falls.
Exactly.
And what's your name?
Muyuni Agre.
Muyunda?
Muyuni Agre.
I can't get that one.
Muyuni Agre.
Muyuni, I know Muyuni, I can keep that one.
Uh-huh.
So you've heard it from the horse's mouth. This is Muyuni. If you want photographs, professional photographs, Muyuni will take you. Just come to the falls and you'll find Muyuni.
Yeah.
Nice meeting you, Muyuni.
Cheers,
All the
cheers.
best and take care.
Pleasure's mine.
God bless.
Thank you so much.
Ciao, ciao. What a mighty falls. I'm in awe in this place. Amazing place. There's all sorts of people that come here to the Victoria Falls. All nationalities. This is the other section of the falls. I'm going to show you the other section up there where the water pools down. So this is the section where the water pours down on the other side. You've seen the other side when it's pouring down. That is the falls. So this is the Zambezi River. And it's just an amazing place to come. Darling. So this is the section where the water comes down to make the falls. And it says, do not swim. Beware of sudden water bursts. Use litter bin. So we have to follow the instructions. So there's quite some nasty crocodiles in these waters here. So one has to be extremely careful. So I'm reporting live here from Victoria Falls, mosi O Tunya. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share the video, and also please subscribe to the channel to support the channel. Also leave a comment and also press the bell icon for more notifications. And it's adios amigos from Percy Johnson Mwape Mukobwe here in Livingston, Zambia. God bless you from wherever you're watching from, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.